Hello, I'm John Kryler. Welcome to This Week in the Markets. Fed Chair Powell spoke to both the Senate and House banking committees for the semi-annual Humphrey Hawkins testimony. The interesting thing I saw in this testimony was that he's starting to balance out a strategy of cutting rates in the future, not just because he got down to the 2% inflation mandate, but also to forestall any increase in the unemployment rate that would be most unwelcome with a softening of labor economy filtering into the general economy. At 4.1% for the unemployment rate, he'd rather not see that spike up to 4.5% or 5%, and he would look to cut rates to make sure that the economy stays afloat while waiting a little bit longer to get down to that 2% mandate. That was an interesting balance, looking for the strategy when he might be looking to cut rates, the Federal Reserve. The market is now looking at a chance for September. The next meeting is July 31st with a press conference by Chair Powell afterwards. Corporate earnings will start in earnest next week with the large S&P 500 companies. The banks will report later this week. One thing I'm looking at right now is the restaurant sector. That sector in the S&P 500 is badly lagging the general S&P 500. It'll be interesting to see if the earnings reports for these companies, whether they're value meals or upscale restaurants, will talk about a softening of the consumer demand, either ticket charges or the frequency of their patrons coming in. That will remain to be seen. I'm John Kreidler. This was This Week in the Markets. Have a great week.